Hey man, it's Kev and I'm back with another video. I got some action for y'all today. Just received a call from JMG Motorsports saying that they might need me to come down so we can do some water pulls for the tune and everything. I'm gonna show you guys a first person point of view of getting the tune down and everything, and really my first ride in the car since the cam swap. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I get there.
I like this cover.
Yeah, I like it also. I seen it on Amazon. It was kind of cheap also.
Was it?
Yeah.
Y'all rolled out a jet, didn't you, on your story? Y'all got done with the jet?
Oh, yep.
How long was that one in for?
That was, we had to go for engine runs. So that's a brand new airplane. So we just got that one, and then we just had to come in and do a Wi-Fi mod on it.
A Wi-Fi mod,
yep.
Huh?
First start. Yeah, guys, the car sounds amazing. Man, can't wait to get this car back, man. Yeah, but we about to go do some tuning and everything, so I'll see you guys when I get out there. Hey guys, it's amazing how much this car drives just like stock, even with a big cam in it. Go out and do some pulls. It's all right. Yep. You said 3 to 5K, so I'll actually be in 4th here, right?
Yep. So let's go. Perfect 3 to 5. Take this exit. Oh my God.
What was that?
Do you really want to know?
What did it hit?
17 pounds.
17? Is that good, or is that kind of reaching that zone?
That's it. We're getting a little dangerous.
Yeah.
So your IATs on that little pull went from 80 degrees to 125.
Yeah. Because if that would be pushing it, then
we definitely need to think about an ice tank.
Yep.
Porting the heads is going to lower your boost a little bit, which lowering boost is not a bad thing. Looky there, guys. 17.4 pounds of boost at 4,000 RPMs. 26 degrees of timing. Yes. Oh, sorry.
Man. So yeah, guys, it's making about 17.4 pounds of boost. Yeah, I don't know. We're kind of reaching that little danger zone or whatever, so I have to talk to my tuner about that, and like I said, I'll just come back with another update. But so far, the car is running very good and very well and running strong. The catch can is installed. It's right there. Also, routed around here. Fix the deck cover. So yeah, that's gonna be it for today. Much appreciated to James at JMG Motorsports. Like I said, come and hit them up. They do very good work, and can't wait to get this car back out on the streets. All right, guys, that's it for today. Got a little tuning in, just gotta wait for a few updates. I'll give you guys an update when it's time to pick up the car. And like I said, it should be tomorrow, so I'll see you on the pickup. Late.